In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the paywall page in Circle. So step by step. First, log into your Circle community. Once you're inside, click your community name or logo in the top left corner, then choose paywalls. Find the paywall you want to customize, open the three-dot menu and select edit. This takes you into the settings for that specific paywall. From there, open the checkout tab. This is where you control what visitors see on the checkout or paywall page. You'll also notice a live preview on the right side, which is very helpful as you make changes. You can switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile previews, so you can check how everything looks across different devices. Next, add a cover image. Find the cover image section, click Add Image, and upload a file from your computer. After uploading, review the preview carefully. If the image doesn't look right, you can replace it or remove it. A professional banner works best here because it helps communicate what your membership is about right away. It can also serve as the preview image when your paywall is shared on social media or messaging apps. After that, go back to the Details tab and locate Checkout Description. Write a short, clear explanation of your membership and what the customer gets. Keep it easy to understand and focused on value. This description appears directly on the checkout page, so it should help visitors quickly understand the offer. Then return to the Checkout tab and find Benefits. Turn on Show Benefits and add a title, such as What's Included. From there, enter your membership benefits. Circle allows up to 10 benefits, and each one can include an icon, a title, and a short description. As you customize each benefit, choose an icon, enter the benefit title, and add a short description. Repeat this for the rest of your benefits. Keep the titles short and make the descriptions value-focused so visitors can immediately see why the membership is useful. Next, open badges, turn on Show Badges, and add your badge information. You can also position or customize the badge based on the available editor options. Badges are useful for highlighting things like popularity, value, or a limited offer. After that, click Testimonials and enable Show Testimonials. Add a testimonial, include the person's name and any relevant details, and add more testimonials if needed. Testimonials help build trust and provide social proof. Now go to the Pricing tab. Here you can set up pricing options such as monthly, quarterly, annual, or one-time payment. Circle allows up to 6 pricing options on one paywall. You can also mark one option as preferred so it becomes the pre-selected choice. You can also add callouts to your pricing to draw attention to a specific plan. This is useful for promoting the option you want most visitors to choose. Next, return to the Details tab and review your checkout URL. You can customize the URL slug to make it cleaner and easier to remember. Then open the Post-Purchase tab. Circle includes a default thank you page, but it can't be customized. If you want more control, enable a custom redirect URL to send new members to a welcome or onboarding page after checkout. Before publishing, review the preview on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Make sure your images, pricing, benefits, and testimonials all look polished. You can also use View As from the Paywalls management page to preview the experience as a visitor. When everything looks good, click Save Draft if you're not ready yet, or click Publish if you're ready to launch. Once published, the paywall becomes active and people can start viewing and purchasing it.